If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Life. Hello friends, I am Dr. Seema and you are watching Life. Our today's topic is water. If I ask you to define water in single word, most of the people will answer water is life. Yes, water is life. Water is the most important nutrient which helps to maintain good health. Water is the major part of our body weight. Yes, water makes around 60% of our body weight. And every single cell of our body needs water to function properly. Our bodily functions, our day-to-day activities, everything is dependent upon water. And this water performs various important functions or roles in our body. So let's see about the functions of water. Water helps to carry nutrients and remove waste products from body. It helps to maintain the structure of large molecules such as protein and glycogen. Water is important for metabolism. It acts as solvent for minerals, vitamins, amino acid, glucose and many other small molecules that they can participate in metabolic activities. Helps to maintain normal body temperature as evaporation of sweat from skin removes excess heat from the body. Acts as lubricant and cushion around joints, inside the eyes, spinal cord and in pregnancy the amniotic fluid in the womb. Helps to maintain blood volume. What is safe and clean drinking water? Water which is free from disease causing agents is a safe drinking water. So what are the disease causing agents? It could be bacteria, viruses, parasites, harmful chemicals, industry waste, pesticides, heavy metals, arsenic, nitrates and excess of fluoride. Drinking fluoride-rich water for long term can cause fluorosis of bone and dental problems. Water with 0.5 to 0.8 mg of fluoride per liter is considered safe. If a water source is not safe for drinking, you can boil the water for 10 to 15 minutes. It will kill all the disease-causing organisms. But boiling water may not reduce other impurities. Water chlorination is also one technique to make water drinkable. Chlorine tablet with 0.5 gram of chlorine can disinfect 20 liters of water. There are many water purifiers available nowadays which claim to provide safe and clean water. How many glasses of water you are drinking in a day? Are you getting enough water? Basically, the water requirement varies from person to person. It is dependent upon the environment, climate and physical activity. In hot weather, we need to drink extra water because we are losing more water through sweat. Or a person doing heavy exercise needs to drink extra water because after exercising, he loses more sweat and losing more water through the sweat. For getting enough water, you should drink 1 glass of water every hour. At the starting of this practice, your kidney and bladder will react. You may have to frequently visit bathroom, but gradually it will settle down. If you want to check you are getting enough water or not, just check the color of your urine. If the color is pale, it is okay, you are drinking enough water. But if the color is darker, it means you are not drinking enough water. You need to consume more water. It's very important to monitor the water intake of kids as well. You can frequently check the color of their urine so you will understand they are getting enough water or not. Give water regularly to your children as they may not ask for water even if they are feeling thirsty. Don't wait to drink water until you feel thirsty. Once you started feeling thirsty means you are already dehydrated and you may feel tired. At that moment, you must drink plain water instead of tea or coffee. If you are not drinking enough water once you thirsty, you may get headache, feel tired, dry mouth, and you cannot concentrate on your work. How much water you need to consume? Generally, women should consume 8 to 10 glasses of water and men should take 10 to 12 glasses of water per day. If you are staying in hot weather, you need to consume extra amount of water. You need extra water if you are pregnant woman or you are a lactating mother. If you are doing heavy exercises, you need 3 to 4 glasses of water per hour. School going children should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day and children under age 5 should drink 4 to 5 glasses of water depending upon their activity pattern. All drinks and beverages counts, but water is the healthiest one because it's providing 0 calories to your body. Coconut water, milk, soft drinks, fruit juices are the drinks people are drinking and they are fulfilling their body's fluid requirement. Soft drinks and commercial fruit juices contain more amount of sugar which may cause different problems like dental problems, obesity, and it may develop risk of some other diseases. It's always better to prefer plain water. People drinking coffee needs to drink extra amount of water because caffeine is having diuretic action. The person drinking coffee may lose more water through urine. So it's necessary to drink extra amount of water. Water supports good health. Physical and mental performances depends on water. Optimal functioning of gastrointestinal tract, kidneys, heart and other body system is also depend on water. The kind of water person drinking makes difference to health. Water is either soft or hard. Hard water contain higher concentration of calcium and magnesium, where soft water is rich in sodium or potassium. Soft water with sodium may aggregate hypertension and heart disease. Soft water also easily dissolves some contaminants, minerals like cadmium and lead, where minerals in hard water may benefit the conditions like hypertension. Maintaining body's water balance is very important. Body must excrete some certain amount of water through sweats, feces or urine to excrete the waste products from our body. And this losses must be fulfilled by drinking water, by taking fluids or by eating fruits and vegetables. Our body loses 500 to 1400 ml of water through urine, 450 to 900 ml of water through sweat, 350 ml of water through breathing, 150 ml of water through feces. Total 1400 to 2800 ml of water loses every day. On an average, a person loses 2500 ml of fluid from the body every day, which should be balanced by consuming food, water and metabolic water. To maintain body's water balance, we should consume 550 to 1500 ml of water through food, 700 to 1000 ml of water through beverages and 200 to 300 ml of water will be generated through metabolism process. Total 1450 to 2800 ml of water should be consumed every day. What will happen if a person is not drinking enough amount of water? If a person is not drinking enough amount of water, he or she may develop dehydration. The symptoms of dehydration rapidly changes from thirst to weakness, exhaustion, delirium, and if not corrected, it may cause death. Early sign of dehydration is fatigue. Whenever you feel tired or exhausted, you may feel to drink tea or coffee, but At that moment, you should not drink tea or coffee. At that time, your body needs water and you should drink plenty of water. Urine color test to study the dehydration status at household level. If the color of urine is transparent, you are possibly overhydrated. If the color is pale straw, you are well hydrated. Transparent yellow color also denotes normal hydration. Yellow color urine denotes the possible mild dehydration. If the color of urine is deep amber or honey color, it is possible that you are moderately dehydrated. And dark orange color or dark color urine denotes the severe dehydration. If you drink plenty of water, you are less likely to suffer from constipation, urinary tract infection, and kidney stones. Drink enough safe and clean water to fulfill body's daily fluid requirements. Prefer to drink boiled water if the water source is not safe. Every person should consume at least 250 ml of milk per day. Try to consume natural and fresh fruit juices instead of carbonated beverages. Prefer tea over coffee. Avoid consuming alcoholic drinks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till that, keep watching NutraLife, stay at home and stay healthy.